Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install the Trustee Wallet app step by step on your phone. Trustee is a secure crypto wallet that allows you to store, send, receive and manage cryptocurrencies easily. And if you're new to crypto or installing Trustees for the first time, make sure to watch this video till the end so you do not miss any important step. So first you need to unlock your phone. If you're using Android, you can go to the Google Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, you can go to the App Store. And over here, when you reach to the app interface, you need to search for the Trustee app. And make sure you choose the official Trustee app. Always check the app name and logo to avoid fake apps. And once you find the correct app, you need to tap on install or get, and you need to double click to install on it, and the app will start downloading automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. And after the installation is complete, you can select tab to open, and now you'll see the Trustee welcome screen where you can start setting up your wallet. And that's it, you have successfully installed the Trustee Wallet app on your phone. From here you can create a new wallet or restore an existing one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto wallet tutorials. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you. If you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.